Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Asana SSO with Okta, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Asana Single Sign-On, or SSO, with Okta, start by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Locate that Applications tab in the main menu. Click on Applications to view your existing applications. Select Add Application to begin the setup process. In the search bar, type Asana and press Enter. From the search results, click on Asana. Click on that Add button to proceed to the application settings. In the General Settings section, provide a name for your Asana application. Optionally, you can upload a logo for easier identification. Scroll down to the Sign-On Options section. Set the sign-on method to SAML 2.0. Navigate to the SAML Settings section. In the Single Sign-On URL field, enter the Asana SSO URL provided in Asana's. For the audience URI, input the entity ID provided by Asana. In the default relay state field, you can leave it blank unless specified otherwise. Under Attributes, map the user attributes required by Asana. This typically includes first name, last name, and email. Once you configure your attribute mappings, click on Next. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. If all details are accurate, click Finish to save your application settings. Next, navigate to the Assignments tab to assign users to the Asana application. Select the users or groups you want to grant access to Asana via SSO. Click Assign to finalize the assignments. After that, go back to the Asana application settings in Okta. Retrieve the identity provider metadata URL from Okta. Now, log into your Asana account with admin rights. Go to the Admin console and find the Security section. Select Single Sign-On from the Security options. Input the required Okta metadata information into the Asana SSO settings. This includes the identity provider URL and the certificate if required. Once everything is filled out, click Save Changes. Test the SSO integration by logging out of Asana. Now, try logging back into Asana using the Okta login portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.